Creating and operating objects. A. Creating objects. Objects are instances of classes, and they are created using the new keyword in most object-oriented programming languages. The process involves allocating memory for the object, initializing its attributes, and returning a reference to the newly created object. Example: Narjar, creating an object of the class car my car, Zart, new car. Operating objects. Once an object is created, you can operate on it by invoking its methods and accessing or modifying its attributes. Operations are performed through the object's reference, allowing you to interact with the encapsulated data and behaviors. Example: Tutor, accessing attributes and invoking methods, my car. Set brand, Toyota. mycar.accelerate. Int current speed, Hond my car, get current speed. Object reference. An object reference is a variable that holds the memory address, reference of an object. It allows you to access and manipulate the object indirectly through the reference variable. Example: Zeitos, object reference my car, holds the memory address of the car. Object car my car, Shark new car. Dereferencing. When you operate on an object through its reference, the system automatically dereferences the reference to access the actual object in memory. Dereferencing enables you to interact with the object's methods and attributes. Example: dereferencing the object reference to access its methods, mycar.accelerate. Object lifetime. The lifetime of an object in the context of programming refers to the duration for which the object exists in memory, from its creation to its eventual destruction or deallocation. The specific details of object lifetime may vary depending on the programming language and the memory management model employed. Here are some general concepts related to object lifetime. Creation. The lifetime of an object begins when it is created. This typically involves memory allocation and initialization of the object's attributes. Objects are often created using constructors in object-oriented languages. Scope. The scope of an object refers to the portion of the program where the object is accessible and can be referenced. Object scope is influenced by factors such as the location where the object is declared, local, instance, or static, and the programming language's scoping rules. Visibility. The visibility of an object determines where in the program the object can be accessed. Some objects may have local visibility, while others may be globally accessed.